with you is pure happiness.
You make me so happy too, my love.
I love you.
My dad set my mom on fire and killed her. Please arrest him.
All right, settle down. In you go. You'll be fine.
I didn't do it. I didn't commit any murder. Please, you have to believe me. I'm innocent.